standing in the rain, guided by the flame. We done lit that motherfucking candle in the temple, man. Let it light the way, jugging the terrain. We just swing around like that bloodhound fang, little fago stain. Moisture in the air, the sacred water must be near. Voices in the mud, I got them ashes in my ear. Battling my fear, though my destiny is clear. In the rain, waiting for the chapel to appear. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. Fuck about the way. We ain't come to play. It's the last days. No one slay, you gon' slay. Bitches that know nothing always got the most to say. I don't speak Juff, I don't understand you motherfuckers anyway. Blast all of my fucking ass, brains all in that fucking grass. Yeah, think I'm insane, but it'll come to pass. Coroner digging them out of the fucking trash. In that second church, about to start the mass. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. If this is a simulation, unexplained precipitation. Who the fuck would the perfect cloud saturation? The next great rain about to leave the world vacant. No evacuation, total liquidation. Inhabiting the other side where the moon crystallizes. You ain't keeping scrolls, make it hard for you to visualize. We the murdered and the mystified. Killers dancing in the rain for what it signifies. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. Let the rain wash it all away. Sacred water, filling up the lake. All my sins, all my pain. Let the rain wash it all away. Let the rain wash it all away.
5, 6, 7, 8. Are you okay? Okay, get ready.
Let the rain wash it all away.
He would continue to haunt the tunnels of the sunken church, waiting for anyone curious enough to search, ready to kill and eat.